Hello and welcome back to AutoRepair Cloud channel. This time you will learn how to set up and use Shop Supplies feature, which has been updated by version 7.1 and now has many new functions. Please go to Configuration and select Financial. Then select the Shop Supplies submenu. To use Advanced Auto Parts, click on the Activate button. In this menu, you can either register or link your existing account by clicking on the I have registration button. If you want to register, please enter your data and click Request Registration. The Advanced Auto Parts company representatives will contact you shortly. To activate the online stores such as Amazon, eBay, PartsGeek, and Discount Auto Parts, simply turn on the switch. To use AutoZone and NAPA, you will need the PartTech account. You can look through the list of all suppliers who get connected through PartTech when you click on Show All button. Click Activate to connect to PartTech. Fill out the required fields and press the Create New Account button to register. If you already have an account, press the Sign In Existing Account button to skip this step. Enter the username and password and click on Link to Account. If all went well, you will see the corresponding message. Now you are able to activate the suppliers who work through PartsTech. Select the supplier you want and enter the required credentials. If you do not know the credentials, get in touch with your supplier or visit the PartsTech site where you can find out how to receive the credentials of the supplier you need. Now, for example, we are activating the motor distribution. If you were unable to find the store you needed in the list, click on the Add Another PartsTech Supplier button and enter the name of the store. The AutoRepair Cloud team will see your request and add the store you need as soon as possible. Click the pencil icon and choose the address of the nearest store. When the necessary supplies have been activated, you can go to the repair page. If you don't know how to do this, please watch our previous video using the link in description below. Select Repair Item Parts Type. Enter the keywords of the required part. For example, enter the name or part number, then click on the blue shopping cart icon to start the search. At the very top of the page that has just opened, you will see the results of the spare parts search according to your inventory. Clicking on the Show button will take you to the menu where you will be able to add the found spare part into repair. You can learn more about how to work with inventory and auto parts feature from our previous video using the link in description. Below, you can see the search results with the connected supplies. Click the Show button located in front of the online store, and you will see the list of found spare parts in stores like Amazon, eBay, PartsGeek, and Discount Auto Parts. Here, you can look through the spare parts images as well as their prices and specifications. Select the spare parts quantity and click Select. On the new page that opens up, click the Purchase button and you will be redirected to the online page for purchasing the necessary spare part. Go back to the previous page and click Save Order. The selected part will be added to repair, and the order will be accessible in Auto Parts menu. In the same way, you can look through the search results in Advanced Auto Parts and PartsTech or see the search results from all suppliers. Click the Show All button and, for example, select the tab with the supplier who works through PartsTech. Select the required spare part by clicking Select, then click Purchase. If the credit card is linked to your PartsTag account, your purchase will be processed automatically. If you are using the PartsTag for the first time, link your card while you're processing the purchase. After this, every time you click on the Purchase button, your purchase will be processed automatically. If the purchase was processed successfully, you will see the corresponding message. This means that the spare part has been added to the repair and the order was saved. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Receive new updates from AutoRepair Cloud and keep your business at the highest level.